We all feel stuck sometimes, like we're drowning. It's a feeling of being worthless and confused, wanting to move but being unable to. But what if we realize that being stuck is just a label based on what we think life should be? There's always something you enjoy doing, even when stuck. Only a label based on what we think life should look like. Second, enjoy yourself by doing things you're drawn to. You're not completely stuck in every area.
That you've seen where you're adding animation and voice recording and music can take a lot of time when you're video editing, and they can command views in a number of millions. This idea I got from TED Talk. Why do you feel stuck? How to get motivated. I've researched a topic that's going to give me a lot of views, and then I used the tool that we're going to look at now in the fastest way for me to create a video like this. Look at this one, how the food you eat affects your brain. This is 20 million views video. So when you've done your research and you're ready to go create something, open up FlexClip.com, use the link in my description below or in my profile to open the tool up. It does have a free account that you could use and test it out, but the sooner you decide to be serious with the project, you can upgrade and get much more. So what am I showing you today? The easiest way you can create a video that you could upload on your social media, YouTube and the TikToks. We are then going to open up FlexClip.com and then click on the AI video creator. This tool is insanely good, and I see that they've just upgraded it to be very similar to a competition of InVideo. Now you're going to create a full video from AI text. How do I use this? I go ahead and click where it says URL blog to video. And I do go on Tech Talks to find interesting videos that can generate good views for me on YouTube. Like this video that says, why do you feel stuck and how to get motivated? This video has like 806,000 views. So this means this topic has appetite. People have appetite for this topic. Then I go online and I source out blogs that I can use to help me create a video. I found this beautiful blog by tinybuddha.com, Feeling Stuck, Life Script Dealings. So what I then do, I copy the URL and I head over to FlexClip. I paste my URL and I click analyze with -5 points, and then it starts analyzing for me. And the source of the article will show on your left hand side to show you how the article was written and the way that AI summarizes the article in a way that is going to give scenes for a video that I want to be created. So you're going to have a look at this, because point 2 is you editing the script and deleting and adding and swapping things around the way that you want. If you want to use tools like Grammarly to fix the grammar and add on, that's up to you. But I'm looking at the summary. It shows 11 scenes that the tool is going to create for me for the topic of why you feel stuck and how to get out of it. Once I'm happy with my summary, I go next, and then I land on media settings. Then it wants to find out from me, do I want to use stock photos, cinematic, studio, vector, 3D, and you decide the type of animation you want with a URL that you've created into a script so that it creates a video. So how about we go cartoon? And then we click on the drop down arrow to decide which platform we are creating for. I'm going to leave it at 16:9 for YouTube. But if I were doing a TikTok, I would choose the 9:16. I'm happy with that, and I'm asking the tool to generate the video for me. And it is done. So we're going to have a look and see how our video has turned out. And we're going to play it.
We all feel stuck sometimes, like we're drowning. It's a confusing and worthless feeling that can lead to anxiety and fear.
The editor, as you can see, it has a timeline. It has your captions. So if you have an image that you would like to replace that you're not happy with, there are tools that you could use, like your media and your images. You could even generate your own images to replicate these and fix it the way that you want. If you're happy with everything, you're just going to click export, and then you export it to your desktop, and then you can upload it on YouTube. I actually absolutely love this. I really love this. I've created this in a matter of minutes. This is insane. You want to go try out how to create these baby podcast videos that are going viral on social media? Go watch this video. Thank you for joining me today. I will see you with our next video.